is going on, everybody? It's Cabale with Cabale Media. And today we are going to discuss why your email unsubscribe rates are so high. Stay tuned. Today I am shooting this on Good Friday, 2 days before Easter, but this video will be released a few days after. Happy Easter, and anyone who celebrates not this holiday, but celebrates Passover, happy Passover to you, and whatever other holidays I missed, I apologize. But to get to the topic that we are going to discuss today, why your email unsubscribe rates are so high. Now, there are a ton of reasons why this happens, and I will give you a few. Probably the top 6, 7 I'll get into, just so you have some things to test. And then when you go beyond those, you can shoot me an email anytime. I'll be more than happy to answer. You can also set up a free 30-minute consultation on cabalemedia.com. And hopefully, which I think, my team and I will be able to help you and get those unsubscribe rates a lot lower. Or if anything else, we can talk about all things email marketing. One of the reasons you might be having high unsubscribe rates is due to the frequency of communications. If you're sending emails too often, there is a chance you could be annoying your customer base. Conversely, if you send too infrequently, your subscribers may wonder why they even subscribed in the first place. Find a cadence that works and then send according to your schedule and the customer behavior. Tip number 2 is relevance and personalization. You have to make sure that your emails are tailored and customized to the particular customer. If you don't, it's possible that you're going to lead to disengaged customers, which you don't want. Emails that are not personalized or relevant to your customer lead to disengagement or unsubscribe. So always make sure that you're tailoring the content to your user. And if you continue to do that, there's a less chance they're going to opt in. Tip number 3, poor quality content. Always remember to make the content highly engaging for the customers, and you'll definitely keep your unsubscribe rates. Lack of segmentation. This is a big one. Tip number 4. If you're sending emails, let's say, for example, a miss you email, somebody that hasn't made a purchase over a certain amount of time, whether it be 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, I'll let you decide. You can't send these emails, let's say, to people who've already bought in the last 30, 60, or 90 days. It's like saying to them, here, you bought something, buy some more. If you segment the list, you won't be sending the same content to everyone. Whether it's segmenting the list for people who have bought recently, people who have bought a particular product, you know exactly who to send it to, when to send it, and why you're sending it. My 5th tip is technical issues. So that can be anywhere from links not working to grammar issues to images not showing. Believe it or not, customers tend to get, I wouldn't say annoyed, but frustrated. They tend to get a bit frustrated. So make sure you're double, triple checking all your links, all your images. Send a few test sends to yourself, your iPhone, and other people around you to make sure that these emails are working correctly all the time. Tip 6, sign-up process misunderstandings. Another thing that happens that people actually aren't aware of. Customers are unsubscribing and they have no idea why. They may have actually subscribed just to get a discount. They've got your freebie or their freemium, and at that point, they don't really want to engage with you. That possibly could be leading to your unsubscribe rates. And tip number 7, I always like to make my videos short and sweet and get to the point. They just lose interest over time. Like all of us, the emails we get are interesting, but a few weeks, few months, few years later, the emails just do not seem to interest us anymore. And that happens to everyone, whether that's changing your content, rebranding, all of the above. That is probably another reason why your unsubscribe rates are so high. Again, these are 7 tips that you can use and try to tweak and test. But if you have any questions, I am so glad you came to this video. You can leave them in the comments below, or you can email me here. Or, like I said in the beginning, you can go to cabalemedia.com. Again, I'll put the address here. CABALE media, media.com. Get your free 30-minute marketing consultation, and let's take your email marketing the next level and get those unsubscribe rates a lot lower. This is Cabale with Cabale Media. I'll see you at the next video.